Hi friends, a very good morning to all of you. I'm Jyoti Singh and today I'm going to discuss with you or I'm going to share my views on Tony Robbins event UPW day 4, the last day, and my dear friends, the last day was all about one thing, that is increasing energy in our body and becoming more and more vital, and what should be our food habit, our daily regular routine, all this and that, my dear friend. And especially it was about health, you can say that the total whole session was about your health, about your diet, about your, my dear friends, mental status and all these things. Okay, and here, my dear friends, Tony, he discussed a lot and brought a lot many examples. He sent many people, there was a Wim, he is known as a nice man. Okay, he very nice story he has, this man. So this body is something, I'll say, my dear friend, this body is something, you are whatever you eat. Remember, you are whatever you eat. You are whatever you think. You are whatever you think. And you are whatever you intend, my dear friends. Okay, these are very much important words which we need to understand. Okay, and my dear friends, remember, whatever food you are giving to your body, your thought pattern will come to that food. Okay, so please, whenever you are feeding your body, you have to remember what type of food you are giving, whether you are giving living food to your body, okay, or you are giving dead food to your body. So always nourish your body with living food, living mechanism by which you should get the live results, living results, whatever you want to wish. Okay, then my dear friends, in this session, Tony talks about, finally he gave 8 principles we should, if we will apply those principles, then our life will become very much easy to live an energetic, healthy, fit and fine life. Okay, and he gave 4 poisons which we need to eliminate from your life. So first we will discuss all those 8 principles. The principle number 1, the power of vital breathing and emphasizing. My dear friends, here he told us we need to breathe, deep breathe, my dear friends. Okay, and in deep breath, what you can do, you can for 8 seconds just you inhale, for 32 seconds hold, and for 16 seconds you exhale. So he gave a cycle 8, 32 and 16. 8 seconds we need to inhale, 32 seconds we need to hold, and for 16 seconds you need to exhale. Okay, so just do it, practice it at home minimum 6 times. Okay, and I'll say practice it in all day long, in 3, if possible 3 times, morning, afternoon and evening. And after that, just you see at what level your energy level is increasing in your body. Then lymphocytes, my dear friends, you have to strengthen your lymph. Okay, for this you need 20 to 30 minutes of, yoga, pranayam, meditation. Okay, so better option is that for lymphocyzing, the better option is just doing aerobics, or you can say that do the pranayam. Okay, pranayam you can do Kapalbhati, you can do here Anulom Vilom. These are the pranayams which will which will strengthen your lymph. Okay, the next thing is that which he gave us and the day 2. Okay, for the gift number 2, or you can say that the second point. Okay, the second point is that the power of living waters and live foods. The power of living waters, my dear friends, you understand, in our body is made up of more than 80% water. Okay, and my dear friends, so if our body is made up of 80% water, it needs more and more water. So just be hydrated, drink more and more water. Okay, drink more and more water, and just eat the fruits, vegetables which contains water. Okay, because this is the right food to have for you, and this is made for your body. So drink a lot of water, and my dear friends, eat a diet of live water rich foods. And remember, 70% of your diet should be water rich. Okay, for example, you need to use your, you can use your fruits, you can use your some salads you can use your sprouts. Okay, this will be filled with water. The next thing which Tony gives the next principles to follow in terms of our health, that is the power of essential oils. Okay, so there are some essential oils which are very much important for our healthy body and our body needs it. And what are those? Those are, my dear friends, fatty acids. Okay, your body needs the omega-3, omega-6 and all these things. You have to take the food which is containing omega-3 and omega-6. Okay, consume foods that contain unprocessed fats in their natural state, like avocado, almonds, hazelnuts, pumpkins, sunflower seeds, and oils such as flaxseed, olive oil, and fish oil. All this, okay, this will help us a lot. The next thing, the power of alkalinity. Go green, my dear friends. Okay, you have to alkaline yourself. Okay, for that just drink alkaline water. Consume 70 to 80% foods that are alkaline in nature. Okay, and if here you can use green vegetables, you can use almonds, again avocados and lemons, limes, etc. Okay, and keep it simple. Add fresh lemon to your water daily, my dear friends. Okay, and alkaline water you can make at home. You can take a jar of 1 liter of water, and there you can just cut a fresh lemon in 2 lemons in 4 pieces, and just put into that, and just cut a cucumber and just put into that even without peeling. And my dear friends, you know, after 5 to 6 hours you can drink that water. That water will be alkaline a lot, and if the water gets finished, just you can fill other water too into that. Okay, the next principle which he gave, that was power of aerobic energy. Okay, so you need to learn aerobics, my dear friends, here. Okay, so otherwise if you don't know aerobics, then you can walk, you can run, you can swim, you can ride cycle, you can any type of exercises. Or my dear friends, if you know asanas, you do asanas. If you don't know, learn asanas. Yoga, just you learn, and as we say, do the pranayam. All this will help you a lot. Okay, then the next thing, my dear, make your life fun. Okay, these activities, just do it like a fun. Do not think like that, hey, it's a very tough activity, I'm going to do that, it's very boring. No, if you will do it like fun, then you want to do it again and again. Okay, so this was about the aerobic and other things. And the next point which he gave, the next principle, that was the power of maximum nourishment. We have to nourish our body beautifully, and for this, my dear friends, eat comfortable amount of food. Okay, eat less so you can live long to eat more. Eat less, my dear friends. We all are in the habit of eating a lot, and I'll say, my dear friends, nowadays many people die because of their eating habits. They eat a lot, and after that they get a lot of diseases. They become the victim of a lot of diseases, and those diseases kill them, and when they are died, they are no more able to eat. So even if you want to eat more, then eat less, by which you can live more. If you will live more, then you will eat more, right? And the next principles which he gave, that was supplement for specific conditions as necessary. Okay, you can take some supplements if it is necessary. If you are suffering from any kind of disease, in that condition you can take some supplements for protein or other things. Okay, and my dear friends, the 7th principles which he gave, that was structural alignment and maximum strength. Okay, structural alignment, move your body. He, as I told you, Tony especially works on physiology, focus and states. So whenever possible, move your body, because if you will move your body, then your mind will also get moved, and your spirit will be much more activated in your mind. Okay, so move your body whenever it is required. Just do activities, do some exercises after 1 hour for 5 minutes, or after 2 hours for 5 to 7 minutes. It will make you much more stronger, and just you hold your body like an army man. Hold your body with full strength. Okay, with complete power. When people see you, they should get impressed, they should get a positive aura from you, and all this will be possible when you will move your body, when your physical body will be in right shape. The next thing, my dear friends, which we need to understand, that is implement an effective just implement some stretches, okay, give some beautiful stretches to your body, from back to from left to right, from front to back, okay. If you know stretches, it's okay. If you don't, just you go watch some YouTube videos. And one more recommendation I'll give you, just walk with Leslie Sampson, okay. Leslie Sampson, she has designed a walk, okay, and that walk, 15 minutes of walk, my dear friends, she has designed. And in that 15 minutes of walk, a very beautiful walk, your whole body get a lot of flexibility. And my dear friends, that walk in 15 minutes you cover almost 1.5 kilometer of running, okay. So just you can do that, let's walk at home at a small place also. It is, you are able to do that. So walk with Leslie Sampson for 15 minutes, it will help your health, okay. And the next thing, my dear friends, which she taught us, and that was start and end each day with gratitude, okay. We need to start and end our day with gratitude. Be grateful for whatever you have in your life, because if you will be grateful, then you will get more things, okay, to be grateful again, okay. And my dear friends, the final point, the 8th point which he gave, that was the power of a directed mind and heart, okay. You have to direct your mind in right direction, and you have to direct your heart, because it has been said, your heart never lies, okay. So you can train your heart to get a right result, my dear friends. You just rejuvenate your heart for a right purpose, for right result of your life, okay. For this, what you need, first you need to stand guard at the door of your mind. In your mind, might it be a stand guard in your mind. Do not allow single negative thought to enter into your mind, single negative people to enter into your mind, and single negative situations, events to enter into your mind, okay. Even it happens, please, my dear friends, settle them out, okay, and become a reverse paranoid, convert into positivity, and then you install into your mind. The next thing, utilize the healing power of your heart, my dear friends. Your heart has a lot of healing power. Even if earlier it has some conflicts, inner conflicts or anything, you can heal it, okay. So just you heal your heart, my dear friends, because as you know that a disease like cancers are healed by only strengthening the power of heart, okay. And so if the moment when you will learn to strengthen your heart, it will give you the tremendous result, because when you will strengthen your heart, then your heart will strengthen your purpose, your goal, your mission, and then you will be able to awaken the giant within to walk towards your goals, and you will be able to take massive action towards your goal, right. And you will be able to find out all the new approaches and strategies to apply towards your goals, right. The next thing is that, as I told you, start and each day with a gratitude. And my dear friends, the final points, eliminate or reduce processed fats, okay. I told you, Tony Robbins told us to remove 4 poisons from our life. And what were those four poisons, my dear friends? Those 4 poisons were, first, eliminate all processed fats from your diet. All processed fats means whatever is processed, my dear friends, okay, in form of fats, wafers, cheese, kurkure, all this, please remove all this, okay. The next thing is that supplement your diet with a high quality source of omega-3 oil, okay, and switch to oils such as flaxseed oil, avocado, olive oil, all this, okay. And my dear friends, root out the meat and non-waste from your life, because this is also a part of a lot of poison in our body, my dear friends, okay. And the next thing is that eliminate or reduce animal flesh, especially. The second point, the poison is what, my dear friends? Animal flesh. Please eliminate animal flesh forever from your diet plan, okay. and eliminate all animal flesh for 10 days. And we are giving you the, just you do it for 10 days. After that, if you feel like doing, do it. If you don't feel like doing, don't do it. Okay, if you feel any change in your body, just you apply this was the 10-day plan which he gave us in last. Okay, so after that, if after 10 days you feel like eating, or you're not able to live, or you're not finding any change in your life, just you go ahead with that, with your previous diet. Okay, the third thing, eliminate or reduce dairy products, my dear friends. Please delete and eliminate all type of dairy products. Okay, and that may be milk, rice, almond milk and all this. Okay, so just root out all the dairy products from your life. Chocolates, eliminate or reduce acid addictions, and if you have acid addiction, any kind of acid addiction, please eliminate that also. And that may be caffeine, sugar, white food, vinegar, alcohol, nicotine and drugs, etc., my dear friends. Okay, so these were all four poisons which we need to root out from our life, because this is something, my dear friends, which is killing our life. Okay, and if we will root out all these three poisons, then our life will become very much easy for us. Okay, and my dear friends, you will find a new change in your life. Okay, and this new change will help you to go ahead. Okay, to get succeed whatever you are looking for in long run. So my dear friend, this was all about Tony's event. Okay, day 4. So I'm very happy to share all this, and I will love to hear your comments, to read your comments. Okay, if you find this video is worthy for you, if you agreed with Tony or with my sharing, so please do comment. I'll wait for reading your comments. Bye bye, take care.